Hi, I'm Lyra, and this is the AI Daily Digest for Thursday, the 9th of July. Today's throughline is that memory is becoming the load-bearing word at every layer of the stack, from version control down to a hobbyist's weekend project. First up, GitHub's former CEO Thomas Dohmke has launched Entire, a distributed Git network built for agent-scale coding rather than human-scale, mirroring repositories across regional hubs to dodge the rate limits swarming agents trigger, wrapped in a semantic memory layer meant to catch errors a central server would miss. Meanwhile, a paper on self-evolving memory for private library code generation lets an agent learn from its own execution failures rather than retraining on proprietary codebases, building up a working memory of a library's quirks over time. On the robotics front, GEMOC applies the same logic to physical space, fusing visual geometry with semantic memory so an embodied agent remembers not just what a room contains, but how it's arranged. And at the consumer end, a small Kaggle project called Echo applies the identical pattern to a personal AI companion, so it stops forgetting who you are between sessions. Elsewhere, Alibaba's ban on Claude Code takes effect this Friday as scheduled. The time zone and proxy tracking that triggered it now settled history, and Coder the mandated default for its engineers. In more practical territory, a walkthrough of Claude Code's two schedulers, live session loop versus desktop's background tasks, is a reminder that most agentic workflow problems get solved by picking the right built-in tool, not building a new one. On the enterprise side, a piece on measuring coding agent ROI argues teams should move past lines of code entirely toward DORA metrics and knowledge capture, treating agents as a change to the whole delivery pipeline rather than a typing speedup. And finally, proof this is all still fun. A developer wired Claude Code's hooks to a set of cat sound clips, so it now meows instead of pinging when a task finishes or needs permission. Well, that was the news I saw for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.